show it how many boxes I have. I'm gonna show you packages that we're going to unbox now. Girls, help me! So here are the care packages. Girls, help me to unbox it today. So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14 pure packages to be unboxed today. But let's go. This is this one, girls. So this is more heavier. Three booster shot as well. Plum peptide. Oh my god! Thank you so much, Insti, for this. Actually, I've been waiting for this to unbox, and I've been waiting for so long to use this. Actually, thank you so much for this, girls. I have a lot of masks now. Oh my god! Yes, girls. Okay. Yeah, this is serum cream. Thank you for the serum. Can't wait to use it. Next one, girls. This is one big bag. So light. It's not even shaky. This is from Glow Recipe. Glow Recipe. This is a big bag. And oh yeah. Okay, girls. This is from Glow Recipe. Actually, this is a giveaway from them. Thank you. Next, girls. Let's open this one. From Nambusin Seal Essence. They emailed me through Gmail. So thank you, Nambusin. So we have more 3 boxes here, girls. So let's open it right now. This one, girls. Oh my gosh, Bloom. Here it is now. Fading Serum. Vanilla Cream. This is super bomb. Yes. Acne Prone Patches. Yes, thank you so much, Bloom. I received already now. So girls, I received it today. 6th time that I received from Clear Cosmetics. So let's open it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yo, what's this? Clear Cosmetics sent me a velvet lipped pencil, rosy pink, soft berry, peach beige. I feel so special, Clear Cosmetics. So last but not least, girls, the last pair of bags that we're gonna unbox today. Oh my gosh! From Tosumu, this one is Heart Lift Toner Cream, PDRN Serum. Thank you so much.